Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates. Then select Languages and Input and click on Celia Keyboard. From here, click on Input section under Keyboard and click on this blue sweater next to Autocorrection. As you can see, after that, Automatic Text Correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!